Happy Thursday, everyone. Welcome to your Power Hour update for June 24th, 2021. Thank you so much for joining me. This is the show where I try to give you all the news you need before the market closes. And today we're going to cover a lot of news such as Southwest Airlines. We're going to cover a potential deal of the new infrastructure bill. Biden just came out and made an announcement. And then we're going to cover notable earnings from Rite, Carnival Cruise Line. And lastly, as always, your top gainers and losers in the market. So stick around. Hello everyone, welcome back to the TipRanks YouTube channel here. I'm Richard Allen. This is your Power Hour update for June 24th, 2021. We're going to jump right over to TipRanks.com. Check out the major indices because it's a good green day. We have the S&P 500 up 0.59% on the day. We have the Dow Jones up almost an additional 1%. And then we have the NASDAQ up almost 0.7% on the day, followed by Bitcoin up almost 4% on the day, closing back over close to $35,000 per token. Pretty close. All right. In news, we have first, I want to talk about Brunswick Corporation snapping up and acquiring Navico, a private company, for $1 billion. All right. Brunswick is a developer, manufacturer, and marketer of a wide variety of products for the recreational marine market. And what Navico does, they're a privately held company. Well, not anymore, but that provides multi-function displays, fish finders, autopilots, sonar, radar, and cartography equipment. Its popular brands serve most major powerboat and sailing markets for both recreational and commercial application. BC or Brunswick is down 0.5% today. However, take a peek at this. Brunswick BC comes in with a strong buy based on 14 analyst ratings with an average upside of almost 25.5%. All right, in other news, we have Upstart partnering with NXT Soft to provide improved services to financial institution. Upstart helps consumers get personal loans by connecting them to its bank and credit union partners. It uses variables like employment and education to predict a consumer's creditworthiness. NXT Soft connects fintech firms to credit unions and banks. It also provides data migration, data analytics, data security, and data management services. Upstart, ticker symbol UPST, has a strong buy rating based on 4 analyst ratings with an average upside of 15.5% for ticker symbol UPST. In other news, we have Southwest Airlines, and I am not surprised by this story because the CEO has been CEO for quite a long time, and I'm thinking he needs a break. So, Southwest Airlines CEO to step down in February of 2022. Now, Gary has been the CEO of ticker symbol LUV, Southwest Airlines, since 2004. So this guy has gone through the 2008 downturn, the debacle with the 737 MAX and everything that went on there, and also the COVID-19 pandemic kind of crushed airlines, right? But Gary has gotten Southwest Airlines through all of those things, and he's like, you know what? I'm done. Keller will transition to the chairman of the board of directors through 2026 and will be succeeded by Vice President of Corporate Services, Robert Jordan. Gary Keller says, Bob and I have worked side by side for more than 30 years. He is gifted and experienced executive, well prepared to take on this important role. Working closely with President Tom Nealon and COO Mike Vandeven, we will begin developing transition plans in the coming weeks and months. These 3 top-notch leaders make for a powerful team to lead us forward. Ticker symbol LUV is down slightly today, right about 0.5%. They were down 1.5% yesterday on this news. However, this comes in with a strong buy rating based on 13 analyst ratings with an average upside, look at that, of over 30%. Big upside for ticker symbol LUV. All right, in other news, I want to point out probably why the Dow, the S&P, NASDAQ, Russell 2000, everything's up today. Biden came out and says, look, we have a deal. They've been trying to pass an infrastructure bill worth potentially trillions of dollars for quite a long time. It was one of President Biden's campaign promises, and we have a deal. What does that mean, though? We don't know yet, so we'll see probably in the coming days what this will mean for the economy, for jobs, for how much money they'll be spending, and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. All right, in other news, we have Rite not hitting earnings. They fell on weaker than expected fiscal first quarter revenue. They were down 6.5% pre-market. Ticker symbol RAD comes in with a moderate sell rating based on 2 analyst ratings with an average downside of 20.5%. All right, Carnival Cruise Line, another industry just crushed by the COVID-19 pandemic. They will not be resuming operations until November. Sounds like that's what the CDC wants them to do. But it says here 42 ships from 8 of the company's 9 brands either have resumed or are announced to resume guest cruise operations by November 30th, 2021, which is over 50% of the company's capacity, with more announcement expected in the coming weeks. Now, they are losing quite a bit of money, but their cash burn rate in the first half of 2021 was actually better than forecasted, primarily due to the timing of proceeds from ship sales and working capital changes. Now, they do have $9.3 billion of cash and short-term investments, which the company believes is sufficient liquidity to return to full cruise operations. Also, booking volumes for all future cruises during the second quarter were up 45%. It's actually a big deal for the cruise industry. I know I'm traveling soon. I'm not on a cruise. I don't want to do that, but I am traveling soon, and I know a lot of people are itching to get traveling as the vaccines become more and more prolific here. So, all right, how is CCL doing right now? Down 1.5%. However, this does come with a hold rating based on 13 analyst ratings with an average upside of just over 8%. I think the analysts are still trying to shake out what all this means. However, we only have 1 new rating. The others were reiterated or upgraded within the last couple weeks. So just kind of keep that in mind. I expect to see some new ratings today or tomorrow for CCL. All right, finally, let's cover your top losers. First, we have in the 5th spot, Globalstar, another negative day for them, down almost 7% on the day, ticker symbol GSAT. Followed by KB Home, ticker symbol KBH, down 6.3% today. And then we have Double Verify Holdings, ticker symbol DV, down almost 7% on the day. Followed by Concentrix, ticker symbol CNXC, down almost 7% as well. And then we have DOYU International Holdings, ticker symbol DOYU, down 8.7% on the day. All right, on the top gainers list, we have CRTO SA, ticker symbol CRTO, up almost 11% on the day, followed by SHAK, ticker symbol SHAK, up 10% on the day. And then in the 3rd spot, we have Agora, up almost 15% on the day, ticker symbol API, followed by Trade Desk TTD, up almost 14% on the day. And then in the number 1 spot, up almost 30% on the day, is SEMR Holdings, ticker symbol SEMR. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another Power Hour update. Remember, Monday through Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do this trying to give you all the information you need and news you need before the market closes. So if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get notified every time that I post here on the TipRanks YouTube channel, as well as Julie in the morning when she posts before your pre-market morning update. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow.